Welcome back to my channel. This tutorial you will learn disable Google App Swipe Left on your Samsung Galaxy home screen. So follow this guide easily, turn them off. Let's get started. First of all, grab your phone, then open this page. After this page is open, look at the top right corner. Here you can find your Google profile icon. Click on it. After that, scroll down slowly, find the settings option, tap to open them. Then use the search bar at the very top, simply type discover. Once you found the discover option, right now this option is turned on. Simply turn it off. After a turn off, close the app. Then you can try to swipe left, and this time this page is no longer there. That is how you can easily turn off Google Discover page on your Samsung Galaxy home screen. Thanks for watching. Bye, take care.